Hello, in this video I will show you how to use Phantom Wallet. Now it's a very easy process. So firstly what you have to do is just simply search for Phantom Wallet on your browser, then open the first link right over here. After that just simply download the Phantom Wallet for your Chrome. Now you can also download the Phantom Wallet application on your Android or iOS device or on your laptop or a computer as well. So it's totally up to you. Now in my case I will just simply add the extension to my Google Chrome. After you've done that part, a pop-up will appear right over here as you can see. Now, just simply pin it. After you've done, you have two options. Create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Now, if you're using this for the first time, you have to choose create a new wallet. And if you already have an account in Phantom Wallet, choose the second one. And in any case, if you are not getting this particular option right over here, just simply click on this option right over here. And that will give you this particular option. Now, to create a new account, click on create a new wallet. Then enter a password that you would like. After entering your password, just simply click on continue. Then you will be given a recovery key. Now make sure to write this down or just simply copy it somewhere because it is a very important part. And in order to use Phantom Wallet in any other device or application, you will be asked your recovery key. So just simply take a picture or copy this or write it somewhere, both the names and the numbers. Once you have saved your recovery key, click on this I have saved, then click on continue. After that, you're all done. Click on get started. Now all you have to do is just simply click on the Phantom Wallet extension right over here. And you will have a Phantom Wallet, and by default you will have 3 tokens already listed. As you can see, you will have Polygon, Ethereum and Solana. You will be able to see your balance right over here. In order to receive funds, you can just choose this option. Then you have to choose what type of crypto you are going to receive. For example, Solana, just choose that. Then you can just simply copy this address and then just send the address to the person who is going to send you the crypto. And if you're sending the crypto yourself, choose the second option, choose the crypto that you're sending, enter the amount and paste the address of the person's wallet who you're going to send the crypto, and then enter your desired amount of crypto that you want to send. After that, all you have to do is just simply click on next, and then click on send, and you're good to go. So you will have few more options over here, like for example this one. If you click on this option, you will be able to see all the collectibles that you have in Phantom Wallet. The next one is you will be able to swap tokens if you want. Like for example, if you have Solana New Balance, you can swap Solana for, let's say for example, USDT. Then you have to just simply enter your amount right over here. And then you will be able to see how much you will be getting for that much Solana or whatever crypto you're trying to swap. Then all you have to do is just simply click on swap right over here. And then you will have your new balance right over here in the main page. As you can see right over here. So let me give you an example what it will look if you have some balance. So once you will have some balance, it will look something like this. As you can see, you will have your main crypto balance right over here. If you have any extra accounts, you can also add them right over here by this option. If you click on it, you can add or import or create a new wallet entirely. It's totally up to you. And right over here, you will be able to see all the transactions. And right over here, you will have a browser where you can use various types of applications like Jupyter and many more, as you can see right over here. And they will have various features as well. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.